One of the questions I get for automated trading is what type of dedicated server or VPS do I use? And so I'm going to show you what I use. You may have to use a different configuration. You may trade less charts or you may trade more charts, depending on if you're combining my strategies with additional strategies or if you're just want to trade more of my strategies. Let's look at the specifications of what I'm doing. I have a dedicated server. You can contact me for who I use, but you can see the resources for this dedicated server by clicking on the Windows icon. And I use Windows Server, and my server is in New York because the Tradestation data servers for futures are in New York, and even though the futures exchanges are in Chicago. And then I select Task Manager. You can also use Windows 10. You can use Windows 10 or Windows Server. I've had some subscribers say that they use Windows 10 and they get less crashes. And so I've had a stable setup with Windows Server. I haven't had any crashes with this. So I use Windows Server. You can see under Performance tab, the CPU is an E3-1240 V5 at 3.5 gigahertz, and it's Intel Xeon. The memory is 64 gigabytes. I'm only using 5.5 right now, 9%. And I have a 1 gig internet connection. I'm going to show you the speed test for that next. So you can go to speedtest.net and select Go. And you can see the ping rate, 32 milliseconds. I am currently today it's at 760 megabits. On the download, 790, 800, you can see that. Okay, the download was 888. Now we're testing the upload on the VPS. There's typically a much bigger difference on your local internet between on the uploads. The downloads, I have a local internet with the upload, with the download around that 1 gig, but the upload is less than that. So you can see download is 888, upload is 132, 32 millisecond ping. And so those are the stats that I have for my VPS. And these, once again, are the specifications for my dedicated server located in New York. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.